In this tutorial, we will go from Google AI Studio to a live website covering development, conversion to static HTML with Node.js, and hosting on Hostinger, all in one tutorial. This is gonna be one of the very detailed tutorials you're gonna ever watch. So stick with us and let's dive in. And trust me, your 1,000 naira or your $1 fee is gonna worth it. So yeah, right now we are on our AI studio. So now AI studio basically works with prompt. So we're gonna teach you how to give in the best prompt to achieve the best result you're looking for. Okay, so now let's build a Naija Whot game. So now on our AI studio, we're gonna give a prompt like you are the expert and I am the employee. So build me a Naija Whot game for solo player and uh, pay player. Now using Bluetooth sorry, Bluetooth is not okay. Sorry, using Bluetooth mesh network for offline offline pair sync play. So now this prompt is, first of all, I like to start my prompt with you are the expert. Reason because I want to give the AI the full power, and then not just the full power. In the AI need to know that I am the employee, I own the company, and the company is mine. So now we've been able to come up with this. Now we are building this game is gonna play. Now our users can play together, syncing their Bluetooth together, and play offline without Wi-Fi, without internet. So now let's start with build. Now when you hit build, now we're gonna realize and watch AI build our game from zero to finish in seconds, in minutes. It's not gonna take time. Like you just have to just watch it. Okay. Now, as you can see, our game is almost done. Now, one thing I want you to notice though, as AI is building your app, now you can see on the right side your screen where your app will display. You can see a feature like AI will be giving you options to implement on your app idea, because basically right now AI is in expert mode. He is building everything, giving us recommendations, giving us a whole bunch of stuff for our project. And now when this if there's any error, AI will analyze the error and then fix the error. All we just need is just sit and then watch AI bring our idea into reality. No API code needed. You don't need anything. But if you're building around API, you also need to know what you are building. Okay. So now, in minutes, AI has given us what we are looking for. So now you can see our game is out, but we need to add more stuff to it. Because while building, AI gave a prompt. Well, which when you read the prompt, it says integrate the Bluetooth mesh network into the Naija Whot game to support offline multiplayer. Players should be able to discover each other, establish a game session, synchronize states like card, play, draw, and score in real time without an internet connection. Ensure robust handling of network disconnection and reconnecting. So like this prompt is good, and then we need it for our game. So we're gonna add it to our game. Then we're gonna send the prompt so AI can integrate it on our game. So this is a first of its kind Naija Whot game. A first of its kind. So AI has given us that. Now when you see a lot of stuff were removed. Now if you play solo, now when you play on solo, you can play by yourself without oh boy. So now AI has given us our game, and then you can sync together with start meshing. Now meshing will find people offline and then sync you up together with our game. So now our game is ready. Naija Whot, the ultimate Naija game. Play solo versus AI or play Bluetooth peer-to-peer sync. So now to publish our app, we're gonna first of all download the zip file. Now you can see that we downloaded our Naija Whot master, and then we're gonna host it live. So now open the zip file. Now when you open the zip file, now unzip your file. Okay, now here's our file Naija Whot master. Let me drag it to my desktop screen. So now the when you open your file and you can see things inside it. Now for us to convert our app to an index file, we need to convert it to a statistics HTML. So because without that, if you upload this folder in our hosting root folder, you won't get that result. So to be able to convert our AI Studio file to a statistics file for public view, so we can be able to upload our root folder. Follow this. Now open your terminal. Now when you open your terminal, mm, Your terminal should be like this. For window, just open your terminal of window too. Now, first of all, we need to open our folder in from our terminal. So to do that, cd desktop, then hit enter. Now, this connect now our terminal knows that we are working on our desktop screen. So now to able to enter our folder, our zip, our unzip folder. Now you need to give this prompt as well to cd space. Now you need to type the exact name of your folder, Naija dash what dash master. Now when you hit enter, now when you hit enter, right now from our terminal we are working right inside our Naija Whot master folder. So we need to do one basic thing to convert our Google AI Studio file to a static HTML, so we can able to upload to our public root folder. So to do that, if you don't have a Node.js on your device, your laptop or your Mac, now I want you to go to this site, this nodejs.org. Now download your Node.js here. I already have mine already. So go to Node.js and download your Node.js and then install it. Follow the prompt and that's that. So now, because I've already have Node.js on my device, so I'm going to go with the prompt. Now, first of all, now we are already in our folder, which is the Naija Whot folder. So we're going to give this command prompt npm space install. Now this is going to install basic things that we need to convert our file to a statistics HTML. Because without that, even though you upload this your zip to this folder to your root HTML file, you won't, your site won't work, your app won't run. So now hit install. Now with this, it's going to install the basic things that we need to convert our file to a statistics HTML. Now let's wait. It's gonna sometimes take seconds, 10 seconds, 5 seconds, minute, depending on your file that you're trying to convert to a statistics HTML. Now what you notice is that a folder appear right when the node there started running, and then with this you can see a node model. Now that has been able to add those files needed to convert our app to a web page. Now the next thing we're going to do is you're going to give this prompt again, um, npm, then run, then build, and then hit enter. What's going to do is it's going to build the file, everything we needed for our project. That's the final thing needed. Now now you can see our files are ready for. And then when you look, you're gonna see a new folder named dist index. This is where everything we needed to have our app published. Now we're gonna go back to now when you run this last step, always check your folder for this folder. Let's drag it out. Always check for this this dists. This now everything here is what we need for our app to work. So now let's upload our files. Then go back to your Hostinger. I'm using Hostinger for this project. I'm using Hostinger for this tutorial because that's where we are building our dorm room connect that we are launching very soon. But just keep an eye on dorm room connect. So We're gonna put it on one of the testing, um, one of to one of our testing though. So now let's make a new website for this project. Now on Hostinga, you need to have a hosting plan though. And saying I don't know how much, but you need to have a hosting plan from for Hostinga. Now let's add a website. Now now custom HTML and PHP. Now you're gonna follow the prompts for myself for business. Yeah. Let's now use a temporary domain. We are using a temporary domain for this project. Now it's initializing the setup. I will also teach you how to connect your domain as well to this project. Now our site is ready. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to File Manager. Now first of all, when you open this your site, let's open this our site on a new tab. You're gonna see a default page. This is Hostinga default page, and I will show you where you can see this and then remove it. Now go back to your file manager on Hostinga, then go to public underscore HTML. Now you see a file named default.php. Now this default.php is this file that you're seeing on your home screen. Now delete the file. Now we've deleted the file, so what to do is now let's upload our folder and everything from our AI Studio, from what we converted from Node.js. So hit upload. Now folder. Now go to where you know your folder is, your folder on project we're working. So this is it, Naija Whot master. Now you're not going to upload everything here. You're going to look for the dist, then click on it. Now select everything, like first of all drag this folder. This I don't know why this doesn't, but we are coming back for this index.html. For first of all, click on the assets. Now upload it. Yes, this will have we upload one file to this side. This will upload all the file in everything on our assets. Yes, upload. Now we've uploaded our assets. Now let's upload one last file, and then we are done. Then which is go back to our this folder again, Naija Whot master. Then this. Now upload the index HTML file. Now when you upload it, now come back to your default page again, which is this page, and then refresh it. It's going to give us our Naija Whot master. Very easy. Now with this, you can give this URL to your friend, anybody. They can access this Naija Whot master from their phone, and they can play together Bluetooth sync, offline meshing. It's easy. Now they can start meshing, linking, finding new people to sync together, or you can play solo, and that's it. I hope your 1,000 euro worth it. So now connecting a domain to your Hostinga temporary domain. Now on your dashboard, you can see where it says connect domain. Now when you click on the connect domain, there's going to be a two option though, like either you are buying a new one or you already have a existing domain. So let's say a new domain or any name, Naija Whot master. Now it's gonna check if our name is available or is not available. But if it's available, we can buy it. But if it's not available, we have to buy it. So now after that, now just follow these forms. You can connect your domain. It's easy. Now we've been able to build our app, Naija Whot Master, and then when you go to this site, you can be able to play the game offline without a Wi-Fi. All you need is share the URL to your friend, and when they connect, when they open the site, they can sync together with Bluetooth, and they don't need to they can sync together with Bluetooth and off their network, and they can play offline as well too. Oh, I don't know how that works, though, but the main purpose of it is to show you how to build your app and then bring it live for public use. Okay, so many people have been asking that question. How do I? I've been able to build my app on AI Studio. Then how do I bring it live? Now this is it. You don't need any more stress. You can do this for your other apps and more. Just think anything. Yeah, just think anything at all. Build it. Use just follow the prompt and follow the video again. That's all. It's easy.